1,280 days of new halving, feeling great, sitting at 50, which is neutral. 42 days left till the election, and Bitcoin is currently trading at 63.5k. We had a pretty good pump recently, Bitcoin trying to have a breakout out of the downtrend resistance that is sitting roughly at 65k range. Currently no success there, obviously hoping for a next pump to have a pretty successful breakout there. Also on a forum time frame and a daily time frame, we're trading above the 200 EMA, which is pretty bullish, and obviously slightly above the middle of the falling wedge, which is pretty good. On a weekly time frame, today is a Monday, meaning new candle. The previous candle close was really great for us. The current candle is trading at a range of the previous candle close, so pretty neutralish when it comes to the current weekly candle. But again, it's a Monday, first day of a weekly candle, not a lot of data there. Also, weekly MACD is looking pretty great. Red phase is finishing, having some bullish momentum, signaling some bullish momentum there on the weekly time frame. Monthly time frame is also looking pretty great, considering that September, the current month, is usually the worst month for the Bitcoin, and if we're gonna have a green close, that would be extremely bullish for a Bitcoin, because usually October is a bullish month, and usually it's giving us some good bullish flipping there after September. But monthly MACD is still looking pretty bad. We got 7 days left till the current candle close. We'll see how that would go. Ethereum is slightly outperforming Bitcoin in a recent couple of days, pretty visible on Ethereum Bitcoin pair, even though Ethereum is having some small pump. Ethereum Bitcoin pair is still trading at the bottom of the falling wedge, meaning Bitcoin dominance is still trading pretty high, currently sitting at 57.6%. It's having some small pullback after the recent pump when we had a breakout out of the 57.5% resistance there. Currently 57.5% resistance became our support, so it's kind of working for us as support. And because of Bitcoin dominance pullback, Ethereum dominance is having some slight pump, I would say kind of a bounce from the 2-year low. Currently sitting at 14.6% Ethereum dominance. Gold is trading at a range of new all-time high, pretty bullish. S&P is also trading at a range of new all-time high. So in general, for financial assets, everything is looking pretty bullish. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. First news coming from Standard Chartered, head of digital assets, is saying that Bitcoin to hit 200k no matter who wins the current US election, which is pretty bullish statement. Also, Michael Saylor saying that credible rumors are circulating that one or more major banks in the US will soon be able to custody Bitcoin. Again, pretty good news, and in general bullish sentiment, more adoption for the Bitcoin, more variety how whales can store its Bitcoin. Also, Donald Trump saying that crypto has got a great future, and maybe we will pay off the US national debt, which is $35 trillion in crypto, that they may use crypto to pay off its debt. I mean, we'll see how that would go, but it's pretty bullish statement from Donald Trump. Again, Donald Trump was pretty bullish on crypto since the beginning of the pre-election preparation, let's just call it like that. So his position stance on crypto is pretty bullish, so you can imagine a lot of bullish statement coming from Donald Trump. Also, in the news, SEC approves options on BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. I mean, BlackRock is pretty big whale, and they probably got some people in SEC, so it's pretty obvious that they're gonna be approved. But again, more variety how whales can, or some other corporation, hedge funds, or just rich people can accumulate the Bitcoin. Also, yeah, that's the graph. So also on the news coming from seasoned analyst, his name is Peter Brand, he's saying that Bitcoin can grow over 400% against the gold in the coming months, according to some technical setups shared by this analyst, which is again pretty bullish thing to hear from Cointelegraph and this analyst. Also on the news, Bitcoin flips gold. It would be when, let's be bullish. When Bitcoin flips gold, it would be valued at $912,000. But again, it's the price if you're gonna consider the current price over gold, right? If you're gonna consider the 2.6k, gold will stay at the same price, right? If you're gonna consider the same market cap of gold. But probably gold would be much higher there by that time when Bitcoin will come closer to gold. So probably it will be above the 1 million, I would say. Also, here's the good comparison between the halvings and the bull cycle after the halving, and what's the preparation during the halving is happening, and comparison between pretty much all of the bull cycles and halving. So you can see that we got some time there, and considering that 42 days left till the halving, we still got some time to accumulate Bitcoin. So here's probably the biggest news. Hamster Kombat, again, pretty viral thing. So apparently only 43% of users qualified for Hamster Kombat Season 1 Airdrop. And reason for that is a lot of people is cheating, and 30 million out of the 300 million, so it would be like 10% of the people haven't chosen the withdrawal method before the deadline. So but still they can claim the tokens. They just need to choose the withdrawal method, how exactly they're gonna withdraw the tokens after the airdrop, I guess. And and also out of the 100 billion tokens, 75 would be airdrop to the community. So technically 25% of supply will go to the owners of Hamster Kombat, and 75 will go to the community. Also, they said that the Hamster Kombat team said that they had turned down offers from venture capital firms, meaning that there would be no early investments in the token, and only the market will determine its value, which is again, it can be pretty volatile if you're gonna ask me. So yeah, 25 would go to the owners and 75 to the community. And airdrop will happen in the next 3 days, so September 26th, meaning 3 days left till the Hamster Kombat airdrop. Again, if you own some of the tokens, I guess, or inside of the game or app, again, you should definitely choose your withdrawal method, and also probably pay attention for this airdrop. Maybe you will earn some pretty good money out of there. So yeah, it's pretty much all news for today. Obviously hoping for Bitcoin to have a pretty good pump, and considering that 42 days left to the election, if we're gonna hit the top of the falling channel till the election, it would be pretty great. So it would be approximately at 68.5k. Not that far away, actually, not that far away. That would be like 5k upside, not a lot for the Bitcoin. Again, it would be not a big of a pump, but in general on daily time frame it's slightly kind of looks like it's trying to pivot, like it's pivoting, but still we're not making new lows that much, so it's still pretty great, but you know, looks pretty volatile right now at the current price Bitcoin. But still we're hoping for a next pump, and US election, obviously waiting for that, paying attention for that. So yeah, to the moon.